Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video, I will tell you the important updates in GATE activity. Okay, so basically I will discuss about the few important dates which is very beneficial for GATE aspirants. Okay, so first query from the student side is that their application is under scrutiny. Okay, even after this registration date is closed. Okay, so application is under scrutiny. This is the status in some of the applicants portal is showing. Okay, so this is the status because in the under this status they are basically verifying your documents. Okay, so they are verifying your documents or photos or signatures. Okay, and also they are verifying your data. So suppose if they will find any problem in your data or in any of these they will find any defect in these documents and if in photo and signature, so they will notify you, okay, through the email and through the SMS. So please try to wait their SMS and emails. If they will mail and SMS only if they will find the problem in if they will find the defect in your application. If they will not find any defect in your application, so that they will say that your application is processed. Okay, and like that. So suppose if you are finding this type of mail that we found some defects in this signature or photo or say, let's say, document, so you have to replace. Okay, so they will open the portal for you only. Okay, so however the application date is closed now, but they will notify you by 21st October. So the last date for notifying the defects is October 2020. Okay, 21st October 2020. So this is the important date you should remember. After this date you may check your portal that whether your application is in sequence or not. Okay, so please don't think that this is only with you, this is for everyone. Okay, so those who have filled the gate application, so this status is for everyone. Okay, so don't worry about this thing. So the next thing is that today is the last date, that is 12th of the October is the last date if you want to fill for the gate with extended with additional fees. Okay, so if you want to fill the gate form, so you have to pay additional 500 till today. Okay, so this is the last date for filling gate for gate application. Okay, so if you did not fill your gate form till now, so you can register and you can fill the form application form through gate official website. Okay, so this is the one more important update here. Okay, and in this gate 2021 again, due to the COVID-19 situation, they will open the portal for changing the examination center. Okay, so you can change your examination center in this gate 2021. Okay, so you may change the examination center from 28th of the October. Okay, from 28th October to 13th of the November. Okay, so 13th till 13th November you may change your examination center, because many of us are away from the college, or you are at home. So you did not decide that where should you fill the as an examination center. So you can change the examination center by 28th October to 23rd 13th November. So guys, this is for first time in gate history. Okay, so within this date you can also change your few more things, like you can change the category in which you applied, and also you may change the paper which you choose for gate exam. Okay, so but this will take additional fees. Okay, so you have to pay additional fees of 500 for changing this category and paper, but you did not require any additional fees for changing this changing this examination center. Okay, so there is no additional fees applicable for changing the examination center. No, simply you can log in your gate application portal, and you may change your examination center as per your convenience. Okay, so this is the date you should remember, 28th October to 13th November, if you want to change in your examination center. Okay, so again I am repeating that we examine for changing the examination center you need not to pay any additional fees, but if you want to change the exam this category, or you want to change the paper, okay, so for in this case additional 500 rupees is chargeable. Okay, so you have to pay 500 rupees for changing the category and paper. Also, this examination center may only those students can change those who are successfully registered. Okay, so successfully registration is very much important, because if they will find any defects in this stage after 21st October, so if you did not rectify your application, like if you did not rectify your documents or photos or signature, or by any means if you fail changing these things, so so your application will be rejected. Okay, so in that case you cannot change your examination center, because your application is already rejected. Okay, so this is all about the updates in GATE 2021 for till now. Okay, thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood about these updates in GATE 2021. So this is very important update that you can change the examination city this year. Okay, so please try to remember those dates, and please if you find an problem in your examination center, so please change that examination center. Thank you.